Meet Bella and Zoey. Today was the big fashion show, and they were ready. Bella practiced her model walk. Step, tail, sparkle. Zoey tried and tripped over her own scarf. "Whoops!" Bella whispered. "Just walk with confidence." Zoey puffed her chest. "I have confidence." She immediately slipped on a feather boa. If Zoey should keep trying, hit like and subscribe. Finally, their turn on the runway. The lights, the cameras, the shiny floor. Zoey walked slowly. Bella walked gracefully, and then Zoey sneezed. Ah! Shoo! Feathers exploded like snow. Cheer! Everyone cheered! The announcer shouted. "Best models of the year, Bella and Zoey." Zoey giggled. "I guess mistakes can be fabulous."